Okay, yeah. So while I'm using my shaken massager, I have a surprise to all my team members. Those who ordered the t-shirt. Yeah. Okay, so this is the sweet sweater. Okay. Yeah. So this is Olilive Toronto. And then at the back, life is better with Olilive. Life is better with Olilive. Okay, I'll try. Yeah. There you go. Amazing. Yeah, large for me is okay. Look at the back. Uh, Life is better with Olilive. Right? Okay, not bad. Okay, I'll show you the other one, which is the t-shirt.